Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add your bank account or update it on the Uber Eats driver app. And to do so it's very easy. There are a few steps that you need to follow, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing you have to do is to access your account through the driver app on your phone. So launch the Uber Eats driver app on your smartphone, then navigate to menu, tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the main menu, and then locate the payment settings. Select wallet. From the menu, choose wallet to access your financial overview, and then go to payment methods. Tap on payment methods to manage your payout options. And then update your bank details by choosing bank account. So select bank account as the payment method you wish to modify, then tap edit. So locate and tap the edit button to begin entering new information, and then enter new details. Carefully input your updated bank account number and routing information and double check for accuracy. This is very important. Then finalize everything. So once you've entered all your bank account details, tap done to save your changes. A confirmation message will appear and your new information will be active for future payouts. That's it guys, you have done it. Now you should be good. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you.